Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I am going to discuss how to create a Q&A window very quickly by simply clicking on a button in Power BI. Okay, so sometime you may want to provide this kind of features in your report. So if I add the new page and let's say here if I say Q and just for the demo purpose I used this name. Okay, if you add any button or if you add any shapes here, okay, so you will be able to add an action in such a way that it will open the Q&A window, separate window. It is not going to create the visuals, okay, but it allows users to say Q&A very easily to start with the Q&A. Okay, and if this is my Q&A, so I am going to write Q&A on this so that people can understand easily. So this is how you can use. And if I say 20, it is fine. Then again it is fine. Okay, just move this on this and you can change the background as you want, properties as you want. Okay, if I select this, so this is what my Q&A. Fine. If I select this, I would like to select the text as in white. Okay, fine. So this is what my Q&A, and I would like to add the action to this shape. If I click on these, okay, so it should open the Q&A window. It should provide me the Q&A feature. So yes, that is also possible, but how? Just select the shape, go to the action, enable the action, and here you have an option to say Q&A. Don't have to do anything. Just select this and come back here and let's click on this. You will be able to see that there is a Q&A window, right? Instant Q&A window it creates, and you can type the questions as you want. So if I say okay, quantity, or here order quantity, I will say order quantity by product. So these are the number of products. So we have 397 products. So this doesn't look good. So if I say order quantity by territory region, so this will create this kind of graph. This is just for the view purpose. You will not be able to convert this visual into your Power BI visuals. You will not be able to pin this. Okay, until and unless you select the Q&A from the visualization pane, this is not going to work. But yes, but for the temporary purpose or for the instant view, you can say like this. Okay, so if I say show calendar, let's see. So count of IDs, it is showing the how many rows are there. Okay. Even if I say sales amount by region, okay, so sales by sales data final region, and it will be able to give the result from any specific table. So you must be familiar with your data set, then and then only it is easy to use the Q&A for you. It is very useful feature, and this is about the creating quick Q&A in Power BI. I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Please do not forget to subscribe WebChamp.